Okay guys, it's snowing here and we got I don't know how many inches, but it's heavy wet snow, and my dogwood over here has been hanging. We knocked the snow off once already. My branch broke off right here and can't even get through here. Here my cable and telephone line came down. I just called the police department. No, it's I just touched it. It's the cable and the old telephone line.
Yeah.
What are the guys? What's happening down there?
Oh,
Mike?
Man, look at that. Oh, we got a tree down
The
there.
tree went down, but it looks like they all have power. But it's blocking the road, so that's probably why we have no plow.
Well, that's good here because it is wire hanging in case a truck
Well, yeah,
goes
now
by.
it is, yeah.
But I just called them and let them know.
I told
They were
those
like-
guys and they could care less.
Yeah.
They're like, call up. You know?
Who are they? The cops?
Well, there's cops and electrical people.
Well, I got a thing in. I mean, you know.
Yeah. I mean, what are you going to do?
All right, guys, that's it.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
Here's my beautiful dogwood.
Yeah.
All righty, guys.
Where was that from?
Going in to cook some scampi
Really?
for my video upload later. Okay, everyone. Here's my ingredients for my scampi. I have some about 20 shrimp peeled in the vein. I got some sliced garlic, some diced garlic, parsley, red pepper flakes, lemon, some chicken broth, butter, and I have some panko breadcrumbs and some pepperino romano cheese that I'm going to toast up and sprinkle over my dish at the end. All right, so let's get going on this. I'm going to start heating my pan. And to that, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of good olive oil. And then I'm going to add my sliced garlic to that. Let that heat up a little bit and I'll add the shrimp in a minute. Okay, now that my garlic's heated up, I'm going to add my shrimp to the pan. And we'll let that saute up a second and then we'll remove them. We'll be back. Okay, so these are done, partially, on the one side, just looking to get a little bit of color. I'll put these on a plate over here, and I'm going to discard this garlic here. I'm going to fire the pan back up, add a little bit of fresh olive oil. This helps make the sauce, and I'm going to saute up some of the chopped garlic that I have here. Just let that cook for a moment and we'll be right back. Okay, so I never hit record, but I did just add about a half a cup of chicken broth, all right? I was gonna let that cook up and reduce slightly. And when that reduces down a little bit, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of butter. All right, while that's finished and reducing, I'm gonna take my panko and pepperino romano cheese, give it a little mix, and I'm gonna pop that in the toaster oven and brown it up a bit. And that's gonna top off our final dish. All right, now that that has reduced down a bit, I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of butter here, half a stick. Only 3 there, but it's a half a stick. And to that, I'm gonna add just a pinch of some red pepper flake. That's a nice sauce. All right, I'm just gonna turn the heat down so this doesn't break on me. And I'm gonna add my shrimp back into the sauce here and finish cooking. Get it coated well. To that, I'm gonna add some of the chopped parsley, giving it a bit of color to the dish. And we're gonna add some lemon to it. I'm gonna do a half a lemon right now. All right, we'll get that mixed up. Looking good. That's just gonna finish cooking up there. I'm gonna remove the shrimp and then add my pasta to that, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, these are done. Gonna put the shrimp back on the plate again. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Plate of shrimp scampi. You can serve it like this, or along with some nice crusty bread. But we're gonna put ours on top of some angel hair pasta. Okay, I have my sauce heated up here, and I'm gonna add some pasta to this. I have some angel hair. Get that worked into the sauce there, and I reserved a little bit of pasta water. I'm going to add probably about a half a cup. All right, to that, I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil and 1 pat of butter. All right, so we'll let that all melt in and get combined. Okay, that looks good. And let's plate one up. Alright, then I'll just add a few shrimp on top of this here. Alright, we're going to go with about 6 shrimp. And then I'm just going to spoon a little bit of the sauce on here. Right on top. Okay guys, and to finish this off, I'm going to top it off with my breadcrumb and pecorino mixture over here. Alright, so, and this gives it a nice little texture at the end there. A little bit of a crunch. Alright, and that's all we're going to go with. And then we'll just top it off with a little bit of fresh parsley with some garnish. Folks, thanks for stopping in here at Biggs' Home Cooking. Here we're at the dinner table. Yeah, we ran into a few glitches here tonight cooking this. We had a snowstorm outside, and it was a big, wet, heavy snow. And it broke a few big branches off of my nice dogwood outside, and took down my telephone and cable line coming into the house. Right down the street, there's actually a tree laying in the middle of the road, so the road's kind of blocked off. So anyway, here we have it. Made up some shrimp scampi over some angel hair, and let's give it a shot here, all right? Cheers, everyone. That's good. Good amount of garlic. Some good flavor to this. So, hey, give it a shot. Let me know if you like it or not. And, we'll see you at the next video. All right? And remember, keep on looking at Biggs' Home Cooking. Take care, everyone. Figured I'd get a close-up of what's going on over here. There's that tree. I couldn't walk through there because I got some live wires right here. Alright guys, I'm heading back. There's cracking of trees and branches all over. Yeah, I'm walking down the street right in front of me here. There's a branch in the road. No plows have been down here. I don't know, we probably got at least 8 inches right now. And it's still snowing. Another little branch, I don't know if you can see that. And then here's our telephone line and Fios cable coming into the house. And it's low, you know. A plow truck comes by here, it'll take it down. All right, like I said, here's my dogwood, and there's the branch. Just had one break off in the last storm, but this was a big one that came down, and it took down the wires with it. All right, folks, have a good night.